Welcome to another Con Tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about winterizing your fence to ensure it stays strong and looks great through the cold months. Let's dive into these essential tips. First, inspect your fence for any damage. Look for cracks, loose boards, or rusted hardware. Addressing these issues now can prevent bigger problems when spring arrives. Next, clean your fence thoroughly. Remove dirt, mildew, and debris. A clean surface helps protect the material from moisture and can prevent rot, especially for wood fences. Tip 3. Apply protective coatings. If you have a wooden fence, consider staining or sealing it to protect against moisture and freezing temperatures. Vinyl fences can also benefit from a good wash to prevent mold. Next, trim any vegetation around your fence. Overgrown plants can trap moisture against the wood, leading to rot. Keep a few inches of clearance to promote airflow. Don't forget to check your fencing hardware. Tighten any loose screws or hinges. This will ensure your fence remains sturdy through winter storms. Tip 6. Prevent snow accumulation. If heavy snow builds up against your fence, it can cause leaning or damage. Regularly clear snow away from the base of your fence to avoid stress on the posts. Finally, consider adding extra support. If you live in an area with high winds, adding braces or supports can help keep your fence upright and secure during winter storms. By following these essential tips, you'll protect your fence from the harsh winter weather and extend its lifespan. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Con Tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.